Hello, beautiful people. You're welcome once again to Diamond Clothiers. And on today's tutorial, I'll be learning how to make this beautiful kimono jacket. And this is the fabric I'll be making use of. I'll be needing my ruler, my tape roll, my tailor's chalk, and of course my scissors. Now let's get started. I have 2 yards of Ankara fabric here, and the first thing we are going to do is to turn it to the wrong side. Then I fold it into two, and again I'm still going to fold it into two, making 4 folds like that. Please make sure the sides are all equal. And after folding it, I'm going to be ruling my starting line, which is going to stand at the shoulder line. After ruling the starting line, I'm going to measure the width of my neckline, which is going to be 3 inches. I'll mark 3 inches there. Then I'm going to take the depth of my back neckline, which is going to be 1.5 inches, and I'm going to connect it together. And right from that point, I'm going to measure the length of my shoulder. And how did I get that? I measure from the tip of my neck, the back of my neck, to the desired length I want the sleeve to be. It actually depends on you, but I have 17 inches there. Then I'm going to measure from the shoulder line to my bust point, which is 10 inches. And I'm going to measure the length of the jacket, which is 41 inches. I added 1 inch of hemming allowance, and on that bust line I'm going to rule a straight line there. I actually don't need my hip line. And then on the end of the gown, I'm going to rule it out as well. And then coming back to my bust line, I'm going to measure my hip measurements divided by 4, which is 10.5. Then I'm going to add 3.5 to it, which is 14 inches here. Then I'm going to mark it, and then I'm going to mark a straight line. I'm going to draw a straight line from the shoulder line to meet the bust line. And from that bust line, whatever measurement I have on the bust line, I'm going to put it on my hip line as well. And then I'm going to apply the same measurement to the down part of our jacket. The same measurements, please, no mistakes. And then from there, from my bust point, I'm going to connect that my 14 inches, my hip divided by 4 plus the 3.5. I'm going to connect it straight down. Then I'm going to come back to the shoulder line. Then I'm going to make a curve at that point, just to have an ample curve, just slightly, a slight curve. Then I'll come back to the back of to the neckline, to the back neckline. I'm going to cut it out, cut through the shoulders as well. And then I'm going to cut the sleeve down to the armhole, and then straight down to the length of the kimono jacket. Please, at this point, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly do that. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and your comments is going to go a long way for us to just to make us get better and how we can actually satisfy you. Thank you. And after doing that, I'm going to cut the full length of the kimono jacket as well. Then the next thing to do is to open it up to remove the back, because I'm done with the back like that. Then I'm going to lay the front, and the front doesn't have this accurate measurement like that. You just have to connect from the width of the neckline, just rule it into a V line straight, just to connect to the middle point of the gown. Then you cut it out. I hope you understand that. If you don't get it, you can decide to rewind it and watch it all over again. And then from that point, you cut open the front. You know, it's a jacket. Of course, the opening is going to be in the front. Then after doing that, you're going to lay open the back. Then you place the front on top of it. Make sure it aligns at the shoulder, because we'll be joining the shoulders now. And after joining the shoulder, you have to measure from the down part of the front through the neckline of the back, then to the other part of the front. I think what I had there was it is 7 inches, if I'm not wrong. Just have to make sure that you have enough fabric that is not going to go through it. Now, this is the fabric that I'll be making use of. The length wasn't enough, so I had to join it. And the width of this fabric right here is 4 inches. After folding it into two, it's going to be 2 inches like that. Then I'm going to take the edge of the front, then I'm going to lay it on it, and I'm going to take it to my sewing machine to sew it straight down. And after sewing it, here is what I have. And the next thing to do is to press it, take it to your ironing table, make sure you give it a good press so that it can look so fine. And the next thing to do is before you hem the sides, you have to hem the sleeve. You fold it by half an inch, then you fold it by half an inch again. After doing that, then you can sew the sides. After hemming the sleeve and the side, here is what I have. And the last thing to do is to hem the down part. I folded it by half an inch, and I folded it by half an inch again. And of course, we are done. And here is what we have. You can see how nice it's looking. You can style it anyhow. You can decide to add a fringe, add pockets, or anything that you like. Thank you for watching up to this moment. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to comment. And of course, put on your notification bell so that you can get notified when I post more videos like this. Thank you and see you next time.